The importance of window placement in your home. Dear friends, window placement plays a crucial role in how comfortable, bright, and energy efficient your home feels. It is not just about adding windows, but about placing them in the right direction and location. Properly placed windows allow maximum natural light to enter your home. This reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere in living spaces. Window placement also directly affects ventilation. When windows are positioned opposite or adjacent to each other, they promote cross-ventilation, helping fresh air circulate and keeping indoor spaces cool and healthy. Another important factor is temperature control. Thoughtful window placement can minimize heat gain in summer and allow pleasant sunlight during cooler months, improving overall energy efficiency. Privacy is equally important. Correct window positioning prevents direct visibility from the street or neighboring homes while still allowing daylight and airflow. Window placement also enhances room functionality. Living rooms benefit from larger, well-oriented windows, while bedrooms and kitchens need balanced light and ventilation without glare. In conclusion, smart window placement improves lighting, airflow, comfort, privacy, and energy savings. Planning it carefully during the design stage ensures a healthier and more enjoyable living environment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.